English Unlocked.
The fun way to learn real English. Your big English meeting starts in exactly 5 minutes. Your hands are sweating. Your heart is beating fast. You are looking at the clock, feeling total panic because your boss is watching you. Have you ever felt this way?
It is a terrifying feeling, but don't panic. You do not need to use big, difficult, advanced words to survive. Today, we will give you 5 golden phrases to look incredibly professional and confident in front of your boss. Hello, everyone. I'm David.
And I'm Emma. Welcome back to English Unlocked, the fun way to learn. Today is all about surviving the workplace.
I give you the key.
I give you the action.
Welcome to English Unlocked.
You know, David, I will never forget my very first big corporate meeting in English. It was a complete disaster. Just thinking about it makes me nervous.
I am picking up my fountain pen right now because I can sense a major learning moment. What exactly happened in that meeting room, Emma?
Well, I was sitting at this huge, cold glass table. There were 10 senior managers in the room, and the big boss, Mr. Henderson, was sitting right across from me. He looked incredibly sharp, taking notes and watching everyone.
That sounds like a very high-pressure environment for a non-native speaker. How did your brain handle the speed?
It didn't. Everyone was speaking so fast. They were using all these complicated business words. I was just trying to translate everything in my head, word by word. Suddenly, the room went completely quiet.
Let me guess. Mr. Henderson looked directly at you.
Yes, he looked right at me, put his pen down, and said, "Emma, what are your thoughts on this new marketing strategy?" My mind went completely blank. I panicked. I just smiled, nodded my head up and down like a robot, and said, "Yes, yes, sir. Very good. I like it. Good job."
Oh, Emma, that is a tough spot to be in. But this is a perfect example of what I call the vocabulary panic trap.
Vocabulary panic? That is exactly how it felt. I knew the business concepts, but the English words just disappeared from my brain. I felt so unprofessional. I knew I couldn't just say, "Yes, very good," every time the boss put me on the spot.
When we are nervous, especially in front of leadership, our brain completely shuts down. We think we need to speak like a university professor. We think we need to use huge, fancy words to impress the room, but that is completely false. Business English is not about big words. It's about clear, confident communication. If you listen to top native managers in a meeting, they actually use very simple structures. They just deliver them with total confidence.
Oh, I love how this naturally connects. Delivering simple lines with total confidence changes your whole presence. Everyone watching, take a slow, deep breath. Put a professional smile on your face. Let's play around with these phrases right now to see how they feel in your mouth. David will say the phrase, and I'll give you 3 seconds to repeat after us cleanly. Ready? Let's go.
Phrase number 1, the time buyer. Use this when you need 5 seconds to think without saying, That's a great point. Let me think about that for a second.
Perfect. It sounds so calm and controlled. Let's do it again.
That's a great point. Let me think about that for a second.
Excellent. Now, phrase number 2, to ask for clarification politely, instead of saying, "What?"
Could you clarify that for me?
Beautiful. The word clarify makes you look highly intelligent. One more time.
Could you clarify that for me?
Awesome. Now, phrase number 3, to agree with a colleague maturely.
I completely agree with your perspective.
Unstanding. The word perspective shows deep respect. Repeat it again.
I completely agree with your perspective.
Now for phrase number 4, to introduce a new idea or look at a problem differently without being aggressive.
Let's look at this from another angle.
Very smooth. It shifts the team's focus beautifully. One more time.
Let's look at this from another angle.
And finally, phrase number 5, to show leadership and take responsibility at the end of a discussion.
I will follow up on this.
Yes, bosses absolutely love that phrase. Repeat it one last time.
I will follow up on this. Wonderful work, everyone. See, by catching this practice script naturally in the middle of our discussion, your brain can feel the security. You don't need 1,000 words. You just need the right 5 words delivered with a steady voice.
Definitely, David. It completely changes your workplace presence. You know, it's time for a sparkly tech check. I accidentally found a beautiful layout on my phone app last night while trying to clear my presentation notes. It was a perfect way to prepare for my next discussion with Mr. Henderson.
Accidentally found a beautiful layout? Let's hear it, Emma. How did your phone help you lock out the panic?
Well, instead of pacing around the office corridor getting stressed, I just opened my phone app and started a quick voice practice session. I gave my AI assistant some very clear rules. I said, imagine you're a strict, high-level boss. Ask me tough questions about our new marketing budget. Do not tell me my English is good. If my answer is too slow, stay silent and wait for me to use a professional phrase to buy time.
Those are excellent rules, Emma. What happened when the practice session began?
It was incredible. The tool completely recreated the high-pressure vibe of a real boardroom. When it hit me with a difficult question, my mind wanted to freeze, but I caught the ball, read my time-buying phrases straight from my smartwatch widget, and practiced them out loud until my heart rate stayed perfectly normal. When I stepped into the real office meeting the next day, I didn't stutter once. I felt completely in control. Doing those small tech checks makes a massive difference. You feel like an absolute boss when you can control the rhythm of the meeting.
Outstanding, Emma. You used technology to build a safe gym for your brain. Practicing under pressure with your digital coach creates the exact muscle memory you need so that when your real boss looks at you, the correct professional phrases just flow out naturally.
Absolutely, David. Give yourself some grace, everyone. Senior managers are not testing your grammar skills. They just want clear, reliable communication.
Precisely. Consistency in practicing these 5 structures for just 2 minutes a day will build your career confidence faster than reading 1,000 business textbooks.
I feel so incredibly refocused today, David. You guys watching, stop fearing the microphone in your corporate meetings. Your voice matters, and you have the exact tools to protect your boundaries.
Let's quickly recap what we unlocked today. First, do not let vocabulary panic control your mind. Business English is about clarity, not big fancy words. Second, use the active listener strategy. You don't have to talk the whole time to be a valuable leader in the room. And third, use our 5 golden phrases to buy time, ask for clarification respectfully, and show proactive leadership.
And remember your assignment. Open your phone notes today, copy these 5 phrases, and practice reading them out loud for just 5 minutes. Check your smartwatch widget layout, track your daily consistency, and build your professional habits.
Wonderful work, everyone. Every great career milestone begins with the courage to speak up in the first meeting. We believe in your professional growth.
Are you ready to become a completely fearless speaker? We want to see your fire. Go down to the comments right now and type the word office. If you comment office, we'll send you a clean link with 20 more essential professional phrases for your desk. Let's build your success together.
We read every single comment, and we love watching your professional confidence grow every week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a key to your success.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep practicing, and keep your English unlocked.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And keep your English unlocked.